So this is one of 29 LO Gullwings. Overall, the production was about 1,400 cars, and only 29 cars have been fitted with the LO body, which means the car is lighter, is more agile, and as an addition, they all have been fitted with the NSL engine, which means it has got racing camshafts, a different injection system, and overall it produces about 15 horsepower more. So in the 50s, Mercedes was winning race after race and being victorious, doing the Mille, winning with a 300 SLR, and you can feel the spirit in this car. It's sensational. This car, chassis number 6500015, is fully matching numbers. It's been restored over years to the highest possible standard, and at the same time they tried to keep as much authentic parts and original parts as possible. So it's not a rebodied LO Gullwing, because many cars have been crashed in the early days. This car is totally original, and the quality is insane. You can feel it when you shift the gears, when you brake the car, it's steady, the suspension is stiff, exactly how you want a Gullwing to drive. In general, the LO Gullwing with a lighter body has a totally different feeling when driving the car. It's much more powerful, it feels more agile, and it's just such a joy going round the corners.